Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel, Success Challenge 17. If this is the first time you are visiting my channel, consider subscribing. Subscribe and hit on the bell icon so you get notified when I upload other videos. And also just make time to check some of the videos I have recorded here. A number of them are really ways to actually make some side income online from the home. Okay, so today's short video, I want to do a quick review, an honest review of a $25 one app, the products involved. Okay, so people are asking questions. $25 one app, what products are they really selling? If you don't know anything about $25 one app, you check below in my description the first link. You go learn about it. It is indeed an affiliate marketing system that really pays you 100% instant commissions and pays you multiple times daily to your PayPal account, your Cash App account, your Bitcoin wallet, your Stripe account, and so on, and MoneyGram, and so on and so forth. And you don't need any skills. You can get started in 50 minutes or even less. You can start generating commissions multiple times on a daily basis. Okay, so let's just head over there. I want to get into my account, my $25 one app account, so that I will show you the products involved. Indeed, I am a member recently and I'm loving it. There are really real products involved. You see at the end of it all, and you make a judgment whether you need it or not. Okay, I am in my admin area, and once you are in an admin area as a member, these are the tabs: your dashboard, your account, your my business, gold products, platinum products, diamond products, enterprise products, and elite products. Okay, now I don't want to make this video long. I will not actually have time to go through every detail here, but this is really powerful. You can see real-time and things that are going on. We actually have got 5 products. Okay, they are gold products, platinum products, diamond products, enterprise products, and elite products. Okay, and what happened is, let me just take a quick one here. If you want to actually make money online or to actually build a long-term residual income for yourself, you need to be using the best tools for your marketing. You need to be collecting leads. Okay, you need to be building your email list, right? That's what we are actually doing here. You see, we have got lead capture pages here for our members. Everybody who joins have access to all of these lead capture pages. Each of them very, very high converting. You can choose any one of your choice, and indeed each of them will actually do this, will lead to the sales page and do the telling and the selling on your behalf. Okay, you don't need to be a sales expert. The videos do all the telling and the selling for members. All the tracking is done for members on their behalf. The follow-up is done on their behalf. So that you don't need to be someone who is salesy to make it here. Newbies are already there and they're also making it. At the end of this video, I will take you to our Facebook group and you see what's happening there. Okay, so that is it here. You need the right tools to run a business. You need to build your lead capture pages to collect leads, okay, and to be able to follow up. So those who join, actually everybody is going to have access to this and they can use them to actually collect leads before making sales. Okay, that is it here. There's a lot of things here, but I want to focus on the product. Yes, really there are products involved. So let's just get here and come to resources. Okay, so go to system resources. Already I've mentioned to you that we have got 5 products. Okay, we have got 5 products inside here. So these are the products. Some of them are just here. We have got the gold products, which is $25 one time, platinum level product also $100, diamond level, which is $250, enterprise level, and the elite level. These are the products involved. And mind you, each of these products really pays you instant 100% commissions. If you pick it, it's just one-time payment, and it continues to pay you on a residual basis for members that come in. Okay, so first let's look at this. Let's look at the gold products. Okay, let's open the gold products and we see what's involved. Once the gold product, as I said, is cost $25 one time. Once you pick this up, these are the things you are going to get. Okay, you get all this: the affiliate marketing cheat code, the ad copy sheet code for Facebook groups, cheat sheet video, 50 ways or ideas to promote any business, $25 one app business mindset training, more mindset motivation, pre-written ads 2, pre-written. In fact, these are highly converting ads. These are what are making us to actually make sales online on Facebook without even spending a dime. Okay, these are all ads. Each of them is packed with different sets of ads that you can just copy and paste. Okay, you can really copy and paste on social media and start getting more people contacting you, and you are getting leads. You share their links. That is it here. Okay, these are packed links, so it really contains a lot. That's for $25 one app. The $25 level, that's a good level. There's a lot. We have seen them. That's the product one. Okay, the second product is a platinum level, which costs $100. Let's look at what you stand to get from the platinum level. You see that we have got a platinum level video training. You can edit meet your sponsor page. You can add your own third-party autoresponder. Okay, let's look at it here. On the platinum level, what you stand to gain. which is $100 one time, and it also pays you. So this means that this is indeed a complete digital franchise for you, not only for you to learn from, but also to learn to earn from for lifetime. You are going to learn about Facebook training, YouTube training, and Instagram training. You can know that these are the major social media platforms that a lot of marketers are using to actually build avalanche of sales, and they're expanding their businesses online. And indeed, this is it here. You learn everything about Facebook. You know, Facebook is a great platform you need to actually take advantage of to learn more and to earn more. YouTube training, you see, YouTube is one of the best also sources of traffic, organic traffic, of course, where your videos will be marketing for you 24/7, 365. And Instagram, you see, Instagram is also very powerful, and you have to know everything about Instagram. So you learn a lot of this. You can see that this alone is worth thousands of dollars, but it's just $100 one time. Okay, that's the second product. So let's now look at the third product, which is the diamond product. Okay, the third product is the diamond product. Let me go back. So we have looked at what gold products. We look at what the platinum product. We're now coming to look at the diamond products, which is the third product. Okay, diamond product. You can see you also have diamond video training, a couple of video training. You can edit the bridge page. Okay, you can edit the sales video to feed. You can add your own custom domain. You can also add a callback request. Okay, so let's go back there. You see, it also costs $250 one time, and it also pays you unlimited $250 commissions. So these are what you are going to get from this product. You actually get digital marketing lifestyle. You get the 10K blueprint, modern day email marketing, how to sell your t-shirts, Facebook group mastery. You learn about Facebook, how to master it, how to use Facebook Live effectively. Okay, so these are products that you are going to get from this. So you are learning a lot, and you apply outside this business. You can also apply outside to other businesses, and you can actually succeed. While doing that, you are still earning from it. What is more than this? Okay, that's a diamond product for you here. Then the other one, we also have we also have the enterprise products, which is not the fourth product. The enterprise product, look at it here. You can get enterprise video training. You can edit your YouTube room. You can edit the dashboard video, and a whole lot of things. Okay, let's just look at it. Also, the video trainings that you are going to get from this, we are going to look at the power of execution, the growth mindset, how to systematize your business, modern day video marketing, and then production creation or product creation. Have you seen it? So that is it here. It's also a very, very great thing here, which is worth thousands of dollars. Okay, so the last product is what? The elite products. The elite products, you also have got a elite video training. You have got a bonus course, that's my daily income goal. You got a blog and page creator. You have got SMS autoresponder. You also got what? SMS broadcaster. You have got a page creator wizard. You can also edit the video library. Okay, so let's also look at that one here and look at the video trainings, what it covers indeed for you. I hope you are seeing this. So many people there, some are just lazy. They don't want to apply. They don't want to learn. So they sit down, they don't find out, and they say things are not working. This is what you get for it: $25 one-hour blog for WordPress overview, how to use the page wizard, my daily income goal course. So these are really vast products that are really very beneficial, worth thousands of dollars, and yes, each of them pays you. So indeed, we have got up to 5 multiple streams of incomes, and these are all paying you for lifetime. Remember, every person you bring in will also always pass up their second sale to you, and the second sale that comes, you also pass up their second sale. So this continues for lifetime. This actually is something that will help you to actually do what you like in life, and still have the time to spend with your family and everything. So check it out. At this point, you should know that $25 one-up is a business that is actually here to stay and to change lives. Indeed, it's changing lives, of course. So check it out and then come join, and then we work together. Let me just take you a quick one to our Facebook groups. We have got 2 Facebook groups. You can see here. One is for support. Okay, this is where questions are asked. This is where questions are asked and are answered. In fact, it's regulated. We have got TJ Holloway here, who is the founder and creator, TJ Holloway. You see, these are people crushing a Team India. Indeed. So this is a group. If you have any question, you can ask, and Winbest will actually welcome you, and they help you to solve it. So it's teamwork here. When you join the team, you're going to help you. And they also have the other one that's only for what? Income. That's only for income proofs. Okay, let me just open it. Okay, this is the second one, which is the income proof group. This is where daily we post our earnings. You see, this is just a newcomer. 7 hours ago, boom, boom, guys, done sale. So happy. Have you seen it? Done another sale, more miles to go. So this is happening here. This is a newbie. As I told you, you don't need any skills to make this. It's really working. You can see it. So these are not to brag, but just to encourage and boost up members. This is working indeed. You can see here. $350 before lunchtime. Can you see all this for people? Can you see this? This is what is happening here in the group. This is me some time back. So that is it here. If you really someone who wants to change your life, who wants to earn instant 100% commission, some autopilot, you don't want to wait for a week or a month to get paid. You want to quit your 4 to 9-5 jobs. This is something for you, of course. Take that opportunity. This is the right time for you to get started. There's no time better than this, okay? And once you join, I am going to teach you, hold your hand literally, and teach you my daily routine, my free traffic sources that I'm using to generate leads and sales on daily basis. This is me again here, okay? So nothing is sitting here. I'm going to help you. Everybody is succeeding, and I'm going to help you work together on daily basis, okay? My daily routines, I will reveal everything to you. Check the link in the description and go pick up $25 one-up. Remember, there's no monthly fees here. There's no hosting fees monthly, no any monthly subscription. One time for every product you pick. Okay, check it out. That's what I wanted to share with you. There are real products involved with $25 one-up. Hope to see you inside.